Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Let's dive right into our word of the day, allocation. It's a C1 level noun that means the distribution of resources. This word is all about how things like money, time, or materials are divided and assigned for specific purposes. Imagine a company setting aside funds for marketing and operations. That's an example of allocation in action. Let's explore some synonyms for allocation: distribution, assignment, and apportionment. For example, the distribution of supplies was handled efficiently after the event. Or, the assignment of roles during the project helped keep everyone on track. These words carry similar meanings, but can fit into different contexts. On the other hand, let's look at antonyms of allocation: mismanagement, hoarding, and retention. For example, the hoarding of essential goods during the crisis led to shortages, or the mismanagement of funds caused delays in the program. These contrast sharply with the concept of allocation because they imply poor handling or withholding of resources. In everyday life, we often use allocation when discussing budgets, schedules, or responsibilities. You might hear someone say, "The allocation of seats for the concert was done on a first-come, first-served basis," or "proper allocation of time is essential to finish the project on schedule." It's also a key term in areas like business, government, and project management. Here's some more examples of how to use allocation. The manager ensured the fair allocation of tasks among team members. The city council debated the allocation of funds for public parks. Efficient resource allocation is vital for long-term sustainability. So, to sum up, allocation is about dividing and distributing resources for specific uses. It's a word that's as useful in casual conversation as it is in professional settings. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the Hello Word podcast and leave us a review. Your support makes it easier for others to find the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using allocation and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring words. Bye for now.